Hey everyone, and welcome back to our bi-weekly-ish shop update. So this past weekend, me and my friend JR went over to Atlanta for Workbenchcon. This was the third year of Workbenchcon, our second to attend. We got to meet a lot of cool people, hang out with some friends that we've already made in the past, and it was a very fun weekend. Very busy, it was full of a lot of really good talks. In meeting all the new people, sticker swap is kind of a big thing there, so I have now gotten a whole lot more stickers to add to our wall. So now I have to make 2 more boards, kind of like this one back here, to hang in the shop and fill those up with some new stickers. So that's going to be pretty cool. While we were there, I had the pleasure of going to a class with Total Boat, and they happened to hook us up with some cool maker epoxy. So this is the maker epoxy that Jess Crow has worked with Total Boat to create, and with this we have already got several cool ideas for some future projects that we'll have here coming up. On a separate note, we are going to be doing a giveaway. We'll give more information about that here at the end of the video. So now for the shop update itself. So where we left off last time, we were working on the drawers for the miter station. The shop is actually a lot cleaner now, and the drawers are complete. So the drawers have added a lot of extra organization and a whole lot of storage. We were able to put a lot of stuff out of the way, and it's really helped our flow in the workshop. The next thing we've been working on in the shop is a console table. So the last week and a half or so I've been working on a console table for a client that is in its final stage of finish and assembly, and then that will be going out this week. And then we will be on to the next thing. Alright, so Patreon. As I mentioned in our last update, we have updated and revamped our Patreon account. So if you would go check that out, we'd really appreciate any support. I'll link that down in the description. The reason for our Patreon account is all the contributions that we get from Patreon go directly to helping us make better and more frequent content for you. Now for the giveaway. So Firm Grip hooked us up with a couple pairs of gloves that we are going to be giving away to you. There are going to be 4 winners, and each winner will receive a pair, or a large pair, of Firm Grip leather work gloves. So here are the ways to enter. First, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Second, follow the link in the description of this video and enter everything in the form. And the giveaway will run from today. Today is February the 24th, 2020, and it will end on Saturday the 29th. So make sure you go over, subscribe to the channel, fill out the form, and you will be entered to win. As far as subscribing, I notice a lot of people that watch our videos aren't subscribed. So if you don't mind, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click that bell, and then that way you'll be notified every time we release a new video. As for that is the end of this week's shop update. So we'll see y'all next time.